Okay, I think we're okay. Hello, my friends. Hope you are all doing well. I had to restart and start again. You gotta love technology, right? I am just gonna make sure I've got this up on the other side of the screen. As you come in, say hello to me. I'm going to be also uploading this to my YouTube channel, so I will officially introduce myself in just one moment. But we are live in the private Facebook group at the moment, and I need to make sure I'm good to go. Hello, Nell. Welcome in. I know that there's always a delay. I just want to be able to see the comments on the other side of the screen. Just one moment, guys. I will be with you in just 1 second. Here we go. Good to go. Hello, my friends. Hope you are all doing well. I know most of you know who I am, but as I mentioned, I am uploading this to my YouTube channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Tammy Civello, and today is Monday, December 22nd, and I'm going to be going over details and giving you sneak peeks of the upcoming January Valentine's Day class. Good morning, Angelique. Hello, Lois. Hello, everybody. Hope you are all doing well. So, class registration for this class opened up on December 21st and is going until Monday, January 5th. 2026. And if you happen to be watching me in the private Facebook group, all of the details are pinned to the featured section. And if you are watching the replay of my YouTube channel, all of the registration and details are going to be in the description box below. Hope you are all doing well. So let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, my name is Tammy Civello, and I am hosting the January online Valentine's Day class that is going to be held online January 31st in 2026. These are pre-recorded videos. All of my classes are pre-recorded, so you can craft at any day you want, craft at your own pace. Like I said, registration opened up on December 21st and is going to January 5th. 2026. You will be getting the following options, or the following products. You're going to be getting a half of a pack of the Made with Love designer paper. You're getting a full half of a pack because we're going to be creating Valentine's Day banners. You're going to be decorating your envelopes, so you're going to have plenty of designer paper to create the 8 projects that we're going to be creating, in addition to whatever you want to create afterwards. You are also going to be getting a quarter of a pack of the gorgeous Made with Love 6x6 Love Note designer paper. This paper is so cute. It's got these cute little notes that you can put on things. We're going to be putting them on our treat bags. So many cute patterns. Again, Valentine's Day has a special place in my heart. I absolutely love it. I love it as much as Christmas. In fact, Valentine's Day was my dad's favorite holiday. He was very, very romantic, a hopeless romantic, and loved Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day holds a very special place in my heart. You're also going to be getting these cute treat bags. The treat bags are adorable, and we're going to be decorating that. I'm going to be showing you all of the sneak peeks in a minute. I'm just showing you what all you're going to be getting. So a half of a pack of the Made with Love designer paper, cut to 6x12, a quarter pack of the 6x6 Love Notes DSP, a yard of this beautiful pink linen thread. It's really thin, really easy to tie, really pliable. You're also going to be getting 2 yards of the white and gold. It's brand new ribbon that is actually in the January to April mini catalog. I created the banner with the gold striped ribbon. This is really pretty. It's very similar to what you're going to be getting, but I didn't have the brand new ribbon. It's white and gold, and it's perfect for a banner. You're also going to be getting cute little gems, these little heart gems, and yes, it's coming in this little cute little mesh bag. I'm going to throw in some treats for you, but you're getting the full jar of these bits, and you know what that means, shaker cards. Yep, we're doing 2 shaker cards in the class. So it's going to come in this cute little mesh bag with these cute little candy treats in there. And then you're also going to be getting a blending brush that we're going to be blending onto our treat bags. All of the supplies you're getting to make 8 full projects, and it's $44 plus the $12 shipping and handling. I know the shipping and handling, we can't control that. Unfortunately, you gotta love the post office raising their prices in January again. But they do come in a padded envelope to be protected. So the $12 shipping and handling. And the bundles that you're going to be using, you don't have to use these specific bundles, but we are going to be using a bundle and a stamp set to create our projects. It is the Endless Love bundle that we're going to be using, and this is in the mini catalog, the January to April mini catalog, and it's the Endless Love bundle. So this is a great bundle that we're going to be creating the projects with. We are also going to be using the Valentine's Day stamp set. I absolutely love this. This is a nice big, bold, happy Valentine's Day stamp set that we're going to be creating the projects with. So these 2 are the bundles that the bundle and the stamp set that we're going to be using to create the projects. Like I said, if you have other Valentine's Day bundles or stamp sets that you would like to use, you can certainly do that. But this is what you do need to purchase ahead of time. If you are a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, please shop with yourself. But if you are looking to purchase this and you're not a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would love the opportunity to get this bundle and stamp set to you. So all of my details are in there, and I'll put in the description box below in the YouTube channel where you can purchase the bundle. And then we want sneak peeks, right guys? I mean, that's what we're here for. So I think I went over all of the details. Again, supplies to make 8 projects, half a pack of the Love Made with Love designer paper, quarter pack of the 6x6 love notes, a yard of the pink ribbon, 2 yards of the gold and white ribbon, the cute little container with the mesh bag, envelopes for the cards that you'll be decorating as well, 2 gift treat bags, and a blending brush. So you get all of that to make the following 8 projects. Let me go ahead and get this stuff out of the way really quick. And of course, we are going to be making 5 cards, 2 bags, and a banner. So the first card that we're going to be making today, that we're going to be making in the class is this gorgeous heart thing. Oh, I didn't show you the bundle. Hold on just a second, guys. Let me show you the bundle. Look at the beautiful coordinating dies for the bundle that you're going to be creating with. It comes with 4 different hearts, 2 XOs, 2 X's, cute little hearts, dies, arrows, 2 arrows that you can die cut through once, and you get 2 arrows. You get a larger arrow, and then you get a sentiment for the smaller sentiments tag there. So that is the die. It's a photopolymer stamp set. Again, going forward, Stampin' Up's stamp sets are going to be photopolymer. I love this. And in the nice, sleek packaging. Love that. So here is project number 1 of the cards. It is this beautiful hugs and kisses, elegant looking Valentine's Day card. And then we have the big Happy Valentine's Day sentiment on the inside. Again, coordinating envelope that we're going to be creating with today, or I keep saying today, in the class. As you can tell, I'm used to doing lives. And then in the class, we're also going to be making this flip card, thanks to the design of Miss Patty Bennett here in our group. Fell in love with the quick, easy design of using all of your cardstock and making it a quick, easy flap card, again with coordinating envelope. And then we have a shaker card, of course. We're going to be using those shaker bits. You're also going to be getting clear envelopes to do these faux shaker cards. And like I said, we had 2 of the larger arrows right there. And look how cute the bits are. And then you open it up and you just have Happy Valentine's Day on the inside. And then we have a corner card here. Love this. I love this design. You tuck, it's like a corner tuck card. We're using the XOs. And then if you look really closely for our embellishments, we are using those shaker bits, and you just add it on with a glue dot. So we're going to be doing that. I'm going to show you how to do the corner tuck card with the Happy Valentine's Day. And then that heart die cut, you die cut the corners there, and we'll be showing you how to do that. And then of course the coordinating envelope, and then shaker card number 2. And I'm going to give you all the supplies. You'll be getting the gold foil in your class. Here's the smaller arrows, and look really closely. I don't know if you can see that really closely. There's a pink little heart on these little envelopes. Love these little shaker bits. And then there's our card there. So we're going to be making 5 cards. And then we're going to be creating 2 treat bags. And these are quick and easy, and you can decorate them any way you want. The beauty of getting all that designer paper is you can create as I created, or you can go rogue and create your own creativity. So you'll be making 2 treat bags. And then I feel the star of the show, one of the star projects here, hold on, let me untangle this really quick, is our banner. I'm going to be die cutting out the banner dies for you, and the letters LOVE in basic white. And then you guys can create, it's kind of hard to get the whole thing here, but you're going to be creating your own little love banner. So maybe if I fold it up kind of like that, it will fit. I think it does all fit. Let me see. Yeah, it does kind of all fit, but we're going to be creating a banner. So 5 cards, 2 of them are going to be shaker cards, 2 treat bags, and a banner. So, whew, I think I covered everything. Do we have any questions? Let me make sure. I love how you guys are tagging each other. So are there any questions? Again, you're getting the supplies to make all 8 of these projects for $44. And I do take PayPal, Venmo, and Zelle on my payment. That is all on the payment form. Again, if you're watching the replay on YouTube, all the details will be in the description box below. If you're in the private Facebook group already, I have everything pinned to the featured section. So what do you guys think? Do you guys love it? I fell in love with the design. I think I designed this whole class in one day. Can you go over again what we need to buy? Thank you, Patty. And what the bundle and the stamp set that you will need to purchase is the Valentine's Day stamp set and the Endless Love bundle. They both are in the January to April mini catalog. So if you're looking to purchase If you're a demonstrator, obviously purchase with yourself. If you're looking to purchase the stamp set and bundle from me, all of the details will be in the description box in the YouTube replay. So that is the bundle that we're going to be using, and I went over the supplies that we're getting. So are there any other questions in the live? Love these. These were so much fun to make. These shaker cards. I love faux shaker cards. I don't think I could ever make a regular shaker card ever again. I like faux. I like simple and easy and quick and simple. 5 cards, 2 bags, and a banner. Okay, I'm just going to wait just another minute, make sure there's no other questions. Do you guys like the projects? I do supply the letters for the banner. So Lois, thank you for asking that question. I will be supplying the banner pieces and the LOVE in white for the banner. So all I'll be showing you in the class is you can die cut ahead of time, whichever hearts. You're getting a half of a pack of the designer paper and a quarter pack of the other designer paper, so you can use any parts and pieces. You can use the pieces of the shaker bits and just glue them down. They glue on there really nicely with a glue dot, and I think they're made of like the clay material. So great question, Lois. And it's coming in this cute little mesh bag with some candy pieces. Okay. You are very welcome. Well, my friends, I don't see any other questions. If you have any questions, please reach out. And again, if you're watching the replay on my YouTube channel, please leave me a comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I hope that you all have a wonderful, wonderful Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I know it's kind of a crazy week. People are doing the final touches. I'm so glad. I know it's a refreshing color palette from Christmas projects, Jennifer. I absolutely agree. I was kind of over Christmas projects. But I hope that you all have a wonderful Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And if you're watching me on the YouTube channel, I will be live again on Sunday the 28th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So we will be playing more with Valentine's Day with the Made with Love bundle. So come join me on Sunday the 28th. Otherwise, I hope that you all have a wonderful holiday, and I will see you all very soon. Bye, everyone.